5 practical AI tools that save busy people hours every week. If you're constantly short on time, juggling work, admin, and life, this video will save you hours every week. I'm going to show you 5 practical AI tools that help busy people get real work done faster without needing to be tech-savvy. This is especially useful if you're an educator, a small business owner, or a busy parent who feels like there's never enough time in the day and doesn't want to spend hours learning new technology. Everything I share here is practical, simple, and designed to reduce workload, not add to it. Let's get straight into the tools. Tool 1. Canva. The first tool is one I use constantly because it removes a huge amount of friction from everyday work. Instead of starting from a blank page, this tool helps you quickly create documents, worksheets, presentations, social posts, and visual content using built-in AI features. For example, if you're a teacher planning a lesson, a parent creating learning activities, or a small business owner preparing content, you can start with a simple prompt and let the tool generate a clean first draft that you can easily edit. What used to take an hour can often be done in minutes. This is one of the easiest ways to start using AI without feeling overwhelmed. Grammarly. The second tool focuses on writing and communication. If you write emails, reports, lesson notes, or any kind of professional communication, this tool quietly improves your writing in the background. It fixes clarity, tone, and grammar automatically, which means less time rereading and second-guessing what you've written. For busy people, this removes mental load. You write once, review quickly, and move on. It's especially useful if you're sending frequent emails or working late and want your writing to sound clear and professional without extra effort. Tool 3. AI Writing Thinking Tool. The third tool helps with thinking, planning, and drafting. Instead of staring at a blank page, you can use it to generate first drafts, outlines, ideas, or structured plans. For example, you might use it to draft a lesson outline, organize ideas for a project, prepare notes, or create a basic plan that you then refine. The key benefit here is speed. You're no longer starting from zero. This is one of the most practical ways AI saves time because it removes the hardest part of work, getting started. Tool 4. Notion with AI System Tool. The fourth tool is for people who feel scattered or overwhelmed by tasks, notes, and ideas. This tool combines organization with AI, helping you keep everything in one place, while also assisting with summaries, planning, and task management. For educators, small operators, or anyone managing multiple responsibilities, this creates structure. Instead of juggling notebooks, documents, and reminders, you can centralize your work and let AI help you stay organized. This isn't about doing more, it's about thinking more clearly. Tool 8. AI Video Content Tool. The fifth tool helps turn ideas or text into simple video or visual content. This is useful if you need to explain things, share information, or create educational material without learning complex editing software. You can start with text and let the tool handle the visuals and structure. For busy people, this removes a technical barrier and makes content creation far more approachable. Summary. Reinforce simplicity. The important thing to understand is this: you don't need to use every AI tool available. Even using one or two of these can remove hours of repetitive work each week. The goal isn't to work faster for the sake of it. It's to reduce pressure and reclaim time. Call to action. Soft, non-salesy. If you want to try any of the tools I've mentioned, I've linked them in the description so you can explore them at your own pace. Channel positioning. Close. This channel is all about using practical AI systems to save time and reduce workload for busy people. If that sounds useful to you, feel free to subscribe.